Mop Style e-bike installation video. Inspect the packaged accessories. Loosen the single side screw and remove the front axle fixing shaft. Note, the fittings on the front fork axle are required for installing the front wheel. Remove the brake caliper protector from the brake caliper. Note, this is packaging material and can be discarded. Pre-install the front wheel. Align the brake disc rotor with the brake mount first. Install the axle core and accessories removed from the front fork onto the axle hole of the front wheel from one side. Then install the accessories and axle spacer on the other side. Temporarily tighten the left and right screws after installation. Tighten the screws on both sides with a 15 mm open end wrench to prevent loosening, and inspect them regularly. During use, check the clearance between brake rotor and brake caliper. Make sure the rotor is centered. Install the parking rack. Install the fender. Remove the 3 screws from the front fork. Insert the fender. Secure the fender by replacing the screws that were removed. Install the handlebars. Loosen the seat tube screws. Remove the aluminum top cap. Note, rotate the seat tube 180 horizontally and then replace it. This will create ample clearance between the seat tube and the fork. Replace the aluminum top cap. Unscrew the seat tube screws. Install the handlebars. Pre-secure the handlebars. Adjust the vertical angle of the handlebars and tighten the seat tube screws. After adjusting the horizontal angle of the handlebars, tighten the screws on the back of the seat tube. Install the saddle. Remove the screws from the accessory package. Insert the washers on the screws. Install the taillight bracket. Use 5 mm. Use a hex key and a 10 mm wrench to tighten the screws. Place the saddle on the frame, align the mounting tabs, and tighten the screws with a socket tool. Place the saddle on the frame, align the mounting tabs, and tighten the screws with a socket tool. Align the red connector on the front light with the red connector on the display marked with an arrow, and push them together firmly. Use a 14 mm wrench to remove the screws and foam pads from both sides of the front light. Place the front light with the foam pads between the brackets and the light, then tighten the screws. Align the red connector on the front light with the red connector on the display marked with an arrow, and push them together firmly. On the pedals, L stands for left and R stands for right. Tighten the right pedal clockwise and the opposite pedal counterclockwise. Functional test. Functional testing. Brakes. Transmission. Powertrain. Headlight. Remove the key. Battery.